This reminds me of the old Rowan Atkinson sketch. I suppose this is what they call art. Good morning. I've come back to Rama IX Park, just outside Chiang Mai City, and I actually came here in March when it was so dry it looked like if somebody had thrown a cigarette butt down, the whole thing would have gone up in flames. But as you can see, if you look behind me, these channels that were completely empty apart from dead leaves are now full of water, which is excellent. Seen quite a few people out for their morning exercise. Here we have a big old tree which has probably been around for much longer than I have. And as you can see, the monks have put an orange sash round it, which means no one can come here with a chainsaw and chop it down. Someone's been getting creative with the shears, just about make out that these are little elephants. So here we have this weird sort of croquet-like thing, but obviously not in use at the moment. There's the artist with the shears. This is Highway 107, which goes all the way up to Phang and beyond. No dogs. No, I have seen one wandering around, but he was on his own. No booze. Pass. no littering, and that's another pass, I'm afraid. Not quite sure what that is. And here we have a woman with no head, though from the top of it, it looks like there used to be a head and it's broken off. So here we have a couple of illiterate dogs who obviously can't read the sign. There's not much in the way of flower displays here, but there's a little one here of various plants. This looks like some propagation area. There's a couple of strange looking trees. It's like they're still alive, got leaves on them. Very strange colour. Got various exercise stations around this side of the park. People who want to come for a jog and a bit of an exercise as well. This is a new one on me. This is in fact a treadmill. I just had to go walking on that, nearly went flying. And over there we've got an exercise area for the younger generation. I hope you've enjoyed my little wander around Rama IX Lanna Park, and I'll leave a link in the description below to the video I did in March, and you will see what an amazing difference the rains have made. When I first visited the Lanna Park back in March, I happened to stumble across this little area, which is behind the park. As you can see, this lake is surrounded by restaurants. And the one I'm stood in at the moment, I originally thought from the outside it looked like it might be abandoned. But actually I don't think it is. I mean, it's early in the morning, so obviously it wouldn't be open now. The Oyster Tap in the background, blanketed in cloud. And that pagoda looking building there I've driven past, it's a tribal museum, which maybe one day I might pay a visit to. Well, this looks an idyllic place to come and have a meal, assuming it's still operational. If you've enjoyed this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos about this wonderful country of Thailand, and in particular the areas around Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai, I'd be very grateful if you would subscribe to this channel, as it really helps it grow. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again soon.